Alright guys, welcome back. So we've won a new car from Copart. So I'll just turn this camera around and show you what we've got. Here it is, our Vauxhall Astra. Got a lovely little spider there. Here's the engine, just show you that. It's got oil and everything, all that's spot on. Still got coolant in it. Looks like a decent battery on it. Got brake fluid, everything looks good. Kind of clean, it's a little dirty, but it looks pretty clean. Don't see no leaks or anything, which is nice. Yeah, that 1.6 petrol. Put this down quickly. We've got, unfortunately, a little bend there, which is a real shame. That's literally all that's wrong with the bonnet. Yeah, it's a real shame. Well, that little bend then, obviously it's been hitting the front. The airbags have went, windscreen smashed. It's got big old wheels on it as well, 19-inch. Got good tyres too, good, I think it's Goodyear or something on the front. 22 I think they are. And the backs, there was 124 and 123, so it's got 4 decent tyres on it. But yeah, the GTC model. I don't know much about these Astras, so don't know what the GTC model is. I assume it's some sort of sportier model. But it's got front parking sensors and rear. But if you look, hang on, let me just shut the bonnet. So you got this gap here, so it's therefore opened up a little bit. And on this side it's spot on. So I'm not sure if it's the wing that's slightly moved or the bonnet. Maybe this side needs to push over a little bit. But yeah, the gap's pretty spot on, it's not terrible. But obviously, front bumper, I've got this other bit of the bumper in the back. I think it's hit maybe a deer or something. Hopefully that's not human hair. But yeah, so it's hit an animal, I think. And obviously, it's like, must have been top impact, but you can see the AC's all smashed up and bent backwards. But the crash bar looks straight. So it's more like this area, I guess. Imagine if I would have thought it was a deer, because maybe it went sideways on it. It's hit there somehow as well. The headlight looks alright. That one's broken, but you should hopefully be able to buy brackets for them. This one's smashed in the corner. Might be able to do something about that. But overall, it's not terrible. This door's spot on, rear quarter's good. Back's spot on. This side's alright. No damage to the quarter either. There is a little bit on the sill down here. Probably not going to mess with too much. Might have a look if I can do anything about it, but it's the only thing, which is a bit of a shame. The roof's alright. And inside, I haven't touched it, I messed with it yet, so seatbelt's gone. So the airbag's gone, dash is gone. Keys are in the other car, but it's on 50,000 miles, so it's not done much really. It's a bit of a mess in here. There's the back of that. Put this seat up. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Yeah, I quite like these actually. They're nice. So what we'll do is I'll open the bonnet back up. Oh, there you go, 50,000. It's got auto lights and stuff as well. It's a nice spec. So what we'll do is set yours up. We'll take this front bumper off and have a look at the damage. See how bad it is. I'll let you know as we've got it all sorted, how much it cost and everything. But I think I've got a bargain on it, to be honest with you. I think I did alright. Just quickly show you this. This is 3 T20 Torx, and then there's 1 T20 Torx that goes up this way. Screws in that. They just pull it right off. So 4 T20s in the corner there. It'll be the same on that side, 4 on that side. I imagine it's held on underneath as well. We'll figure that out in a minute. Just do this side now, turn the wheel back around. Alright, got the front bumper removed. There was like some little push clips sat down here. Nightmare to get out from above. Yeah, that's fully removed now. And you can see the crash bar looks alright, so it's been hit up high. AC's knackered. The rad pack might be okay, so the next thing to do is we'll have to remove the headlights and the crash bar and see what sort of damage the AC is saying. Yeah, not bad. That's good, really. Let's move this out of the way. Move it somewhere, so. Let's have a good look now. Headlight bracket looks alright. Okay. Obviously the AC's bent like a banana. But I have a feeling the rad pack might be okay. That crash bar looks fine. That's good. Lower crash bar, I guess. That looks fine as well. Just the wires. Yeah. Pull this from here. Let's have a look from this side. Again, everything looks good. Apart from obviously the AC. I'm quite happy with that. It's obviously in the wrong place, slightly broken there. That might be okay, but we'll have to have a look. I'm not sure what goes on here, so I'll have to investigate on that one. Something clearly. Oh, there you go. That's riveted on. Buy a new one of them. Yeah, it's not terrible. The next thing, obviously, headlights, crash bar, the AC. Try to keep the radiator on, but we might have to take it off as well. I think this might be broken as well, so remove that. Put apart from that, structural, we're good. See, it was only a Cat N. Quite happy with that. Alright, I've got to go fit a stretch belt to a Ford Focus now. So I'll have to leave this video here. But, you know, we've got the front end off, we know what we're looking at now. We just need to strip the rest off really. But like you can see behind it, and it hasn't hit the engine or anything, so we're good there. The fan still looks good, still spins nicely. I think like the radiator might be alright, I think it's just the AC. Obviously, we'll get that stripped off next time and have a look. Fix up the headlights. I'll buy some new ones, I'll have a look how much they are. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the crash bar and the lower support being okay. Shame about the bonnet and the bumper really, because they're not even that bad. But yeah, we'll see what happens in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.